If you don't want to show your face on camera, you can now create AI talking avatar clone of yourself with perfect body movement and lip sync without having to show your face on any camera at all. This AI clone talking avatar can be used for YouTube faceless content. You can also use it to create content on either Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. This is going to save you the stress of appearing on camera. This is a sample of what we are going to be creating today in this video.
Hey, I was created using the website we are about to learn from in this video. Please like and subscribe to support this channel. You don't need any external software or editing skills to do this. It is so simple, easy, and straightforward to create.
In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method of creating something like this using a single AI tool. You don't have to jump from one AI tool to the other to create something like this. With just this single AI tool called Wondershare Verbal, you can now create this AI talking avatar without any stress. To get started, click on the link under the video description or in the comment section of this video and it's going to take you to this website. The sweet thing about this website is that it works for both Windows, meaning you can download it and install it on your Windows and use it. It also works for both web, that means you can use it on the web. You can also download the app on your mobile phone. So any of these, you can access it. From here, click on Start Online for free. Then, since you don't have an account, you need to create an account. But if you have an account, you can proceed to log in. Since you don't have an account, you need to enter your email address, you enter your password, then come over here and click on create an account to create an account. Well, I have an account, so I'm going to log in with my account. After logging in, this is going to be the interface of this website. From here, you can create avatar video. Here you can create talking photo. Here you can create URL to video. You can convert URL to video. If you click on here, you see video translator. Now, if you come over here, you are going to click on more. When you click on more, you can see different AI tools available here. For this, let's start with creating talking photo. To create your talking photo, click on talking photo, and from here, you can see these are different samples you can create your talking photo from. But if you want to create your talking photo from your own image, then you can come over here and click on create new photo. And what you are going to do from here, you can either upload your avatar photo, that is your photo, or you can generate with text. Any of these options you want to use is left for you. For this, I'm going to upload a photo. So pay attention to this option. Please use a clear portrait. So you have to use this is an example of a good portrait that you can use. A portrait that is facing the camera, not turning away from the camera. Come here, click on acknowledge, and then click on upload. So from here, you are going to select the image you want to use to create your talking avatar. For this, I'm going to select my clone, my AI clone. Click on open, and this is the image I want to use to create my talking avatar. From here, I'll click on confirm, and that image is going to be uploaded here. Now, after your image has been uploaded, they are going to ask you this. Either you want to add motion to this image or you want AI portrait. If you want to add motion to this image, simply click on add motion, and they are going to ask you this: add body movement to your photo before you create your talking avatar. So that is what I want to use now. So click on start training. So this is going to take up to 5 minutes to process. So simply what they are trying to do is to add motion to my image so that it's going to look real, like what you just watched at the beginning of this video. So after adding motion to your video, if I open this video, you can see the motion has just been added to this video. So that is so sweet. You don't have to use any other external website to add motion to your video before you create your talking avatar. This website alone adds motion to your video. So from here, we are going to open the video, open the image. Now you click on create video. So you can see it has been added. So from here, I'm going to write what I want this my AI avatar clone to say. After entering your script, what you can do is to come down here, you choose the voiceover you want to apply to this. So for this, you select on this name, and from here, you can select the AI voiceover you want to use. From the AI voiceover, you can click on the play option here to listen to how this AI voiceover sounds like.
In the heat of the moment, passion ignites. Follow me into the fray, where each word carries the weight of our fervor.
So I'm going to select this voice because I like it, or from here you can clone your own voice. Then I'll click on select. Now that the voice that we want to use has been selected, you will need to come down. From here you can see the subtitle. So if you want to add subtitle over your video, these are so many subtitles that you can select from. So for this subtitle, I'm going to just select the one that I think is going to be suitable for my video. So I'm going to select this. Once the subtitle is selected, you can decide if you want to add background music or not. For this, I don't want to add any background music, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create video. But if you want to add background music, click on background music, and from here you are going to be given an option to select the background music you want to add. Let's say this is the background music I want to add to this video. From here you can reduce or increase the volume of the background music to any level that you want. For this, I don't want to add that, so I'm going to click on create video, and my video is going to start exporting. And after the processing, we have our final video here. I'm going to open up this video so that you can take a look at it.
Hey, I was created using the website we are about to learn from in this video. Please like and subscribe to support this channel.
And from here, you can click on this download option to download the video. The Wondershare verbal pricing is way too low compared to other competitors out there. If you click on the pricing, you are going to see the pricing. This is for starter. You'll be charged $19.9 per month, which is way low compared to other competitors. Then for creators, you'll be charged $27.9 per month. Then this is the advanced pack, $49.9 per month. So comparing to what you are going to be receiving from the website, this price is way too low for what you are going to be getting from the website. If you want to really go into the content creation game, then I would advise you invest into what you want to make money from. You can get any of these plans to get the most out of this website. You have available other AI tools that you can make use of. I'm going to be talking about most of these AI tools on this channel. So if you want to learn more about these AI tools, simply like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will get notified when I drop that particular video.